Good morning, children. Today we will discuss the next topic of the chapter Poverty as a Challenge. So, here we will discuss the interstate disparities. Interstate disparities means, like in India, we get a difference between the state, the ratio of poverty. Like some states are poor, some are not poor, some are moderately poor, some are you can say rich, and some are poor. So let's see how it happens. So poverty in India also has another aspect or dimensions. The proportion of poor people is not the same in every state. Although the state level poverty has witnessed a secular decline from the level of early 70s, the success rate of reducing poverty varies from state to state. Recent estimate shows while the all India head count ratio HCR was 21.9%, and 12 or 11 or 12 states like Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Orissa have all India poverty level. As the graph 3.2 shows, Bihar and Orissa continue to be the two poorest states with poverty ratio of 33.7 or 32.6% respectively. Along with rural poverty, urban poverty is also high in Odisha. So you can understand here like where it is like in Odisha it is the highest one, and Madhya Pradesh and Bihar and uh, Uttar Pradesh. So, if in comparison, there has been a significant decline in poverty in Kerala, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and West Bengal. State like Punjab and Haryana have traditionally succeeded in reducing the poverty with the help of high agriculture growth rate, and Kerala has focused more human resources development in West Bengal. Land and reform measures have helped in reducing the poverty in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Public distribution of food grains could have been responsible for improvement. Now, here we can see the comparison between the state. When we talk about you can say the Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar and Orissa. So we see that above all the poverty level is like shows in Bihar and Odisha continue to be the two poorest state. So here we have to learn which are the poorest state. They are Bihar and Odisha. When we talk about the another level, that is Madhya Pradesh and Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, so the urban poverty is very high. Means people are shifting here for the purpose of good survival. And another comparison, if we see that Kerala and Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat, and these states, you can say we can say they are decline in poverty. Means here poverty is continuously decline in these states. When we talk about Punjab and Haryana, they are traditionally succeeding in reducing the poverty. So three categories we have discussed here. One category the poorest, you know the poorest who are. Second the you can say who are declining the poverty. ठीक है. थर्ड में हमारा क्या है जो बिल्कुल जहाँ पर पोवर्टी नहीं है. ठीक है. जिनके पास पोवर्टी ट्रेडिशनली सक्सीडेड रिड्यूसिंग द पोवर्टी ट्रेडिशनली means not today they were you can say not in category of poverty. So rich we can say. So Kerala the reason is behind what why they are you can say declining. तो इनका सबका अपना अपना रीज़न है. लाइक व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट केरला इट हैज़ फोकस्ड मोर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. ठीक है. अब ह्यूमन रिसोर्स आप अच्छे से समझते हैं. वेयर मोर मनी इज इन्वेस्टेड ऑन ह्यूमन मतलब उनको पूरी सुविधाएं मिलती हैं. दे गेट हेल्प फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट साइड एंड ऑब्वियसली दे विल इम्प्रूव. फिर क्या है इनके पास फिर दूसरा एक हमारा पंजाब हरियाणा है, वो किस लिए सक्सीड हुए हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ हाई एग्रीकल्चर। ठीक है, पंजाब हरियाणा हैव बीन सक्सेसफुल बिकॉज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर। केरला जैसे जो हुए हैं वो कैसे हुए हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स। मतलब अगर एग्रीकल्चर नहीं है, रिसोर्स नहीं और कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन उनको रिसोर्स बनाया गया है ताकि वो काम कर सकें। थर्ड वन आपका आंध्र प्रदेश और तमिलनाडु है, रिड्यूसिंग द पॉवर्टी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फूड ग्रेन। क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो है आपका जितने भी साउथ के हैं, यहाँ पर क्या है, फूड ग्रेन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया गया, लेकिन ह्यूमन स्किल को इम्पोर्टेंस दी गई है। ठीक है, ह्यूमन स्किल को बढ़ाया गया है और मीन्स अर्निंग इज कंटिन्यूसली कमिंग, तो क्या हो रहा है, बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज आर मेकिंग अवेलेबल टू द पीपल. So this was about the interstate disparities, and after that we can say only 2-3 topics are left when we see like poverty, a scenario of the poverty, then uh, we can say like causes of the poverty. Causes में भी हमारे जो हैं मेनली आपके आएंगे जो मेन कॉजेज हैं और फिर जो हिस्टोरिकल कॉजेज हैं. So let's here we will discuss in the next video, that is global poverty scenario. Okay.